Greetings fellow adventurers, welcome to my channel, where we delve into the dark world of Diablo 4. Today, I have an exciting video lined up for you as we explore the Necromancer class and focus this time not on bone spears or blood novos, but on a unique summoner build with devastating shadow damage. What makes this build so good? Is the perfect introduction for new and old player of the Necromancer class, especially for leveling in a chill manner and having a blast while checking the story. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with my last content.
Then at least have the decency to join me for supper. I'm bloody hungry.
This summoner build is perfect for those who enjoy commanding an army of undead minions and casting spells infused with shadowy power. We will focus on maximizing our summoning skills and amplifying minion damage together with the shadow damage. Let's take a look at the skills we will prioritizing. We will start with our main essence generator spell, Decompose, and we will continue to the minion empowerment upgrade. Further, we will take the Essence Consumer Blight spell together with the same minion empowerment upgrade. On our next level, we will first upgrade our Skeletal Mage together with a Corpse Explosion upgraded into the Darkness skill, Blighted Corpse Explosion. At this time, Skeletal Mage upgrade will become available, and in order to be able to spam as many Blight as we can, we will invest some points into the Grim Harvest and quickly upgrade our Blight spell to the maximum. At the end, we will choose our ultimate spell as being Army of the Dead, which can be upgraded later together with the Golem upgrade. As the build is focused on summons and shadow damage, Inspiring Leader, Bonded in Essence and Hellbent Commander are a must. And finally, our choice in the last row of the talent tree is going to be Shadow Blight, which is providing us and our minion extra damage. From this point, you can play around in different parts of the talent tree as it suits you and as you prefer. Your focus will be to keep up your minions all the time, spam Blight spell as often as you can, and decompose when you are fighting elites or bosses. Don't forget, for large minions spam region, use Corpse Explode and Army of the Dead. Feel free to experiment any deviation of this build. Maybe you like uses curses, or maybe you like to choose a different type. In terms of general tips, remember to keep a healthy balance between summoning minions and dealing damage with your shadow spell. Utilize corpse explosions and curses to control crowds effectively. And lastly, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our last content. Until next time, happy summoning and may the shadows be forever at your command.